REDTIGER F17 Elite Dashcam Review, 4K Night Vision Beast, or Overhyped Gadget. Ever feel trapped behind the wheel, knowing your dashcam is basically a potato with a lens? Blurry plates, missed angles, clunky apps. It's like paying for security that abandons you when you need it most. Wasted hours, shaky footage, lost peace of mind. Instead of protection, you're stuck with frustration, wondering why your gear works against you. Now crank up the stress. A midnight fender bender with no usable proof, a false claim from a rideshare passenger, or that mysterious dent in a parking lot with zero evidence. Missed opportunities become costly battles. The stress piles on, and soon you're burned out, not from driving, but from knowing your so-called dash cam leaves you totally exposed. That's exactly where the REDTIGER F17 Elite 4K 3-channel dash cam flips the script. This isn't another basic gadget. It's a full-blown security system on your windshield. With triple-channel recording, 4K front, 2.5K rear, 1080p cabin, you get total 360 degrees coverage of every moment. The secret sauce? Dual Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, IMX678 and IMX675, delivering full-color night vision, so your midnight drives look shockingly close to daylight. Add dual HDR tech to balance harsh sunlight and shadows, and every plate, face, and sign stays crystal clear. Built-in GPS logs speed and route. Wi-Fi 6 at 5 GHz means clips fly to your phone in seconds. A responsive touchscreen and voice control keep your hands on the wheel, while the G-Sensor Plus parking mode guard your car 24/7. Mini story. One user caught a hit-and-run in a dim garage. The footage was so sharp, police ID'd the plate instantly. That's the F17 Elite literally saving the day, turning a nightmare into a slam dunk case. Here's the kicker. The benefits go way beyond specs. Workflows feel seamless, stress melts, and your driving confidence skyrockets. Experts call it a flagship dash cam with the best night footage in its class. Influencers rave. Full-color night vision makes every old cam look obsolete. Analysts note, triple coverage, GPS, Wi-Fi 6. It's a strategic leap ahead of rivals. Real drivers echo it. Sharp 4K footage finally caught the hit-and-run vandal wrecking my bumper. Another laughs. Even my Uber passengers behave better with that interior cam running. The pre-installed 128GB card means you're recording from day one, while loop recording plus G-sensor locks ensure crucial clips never vanish. Built tough with a supercapacitor, it handles extreme heat and cold like a champ. And yes, skeptics point out the plastic mount, but even they admit the footage quality and all-inclusive package outweighs it completely. Isn't it wild that one dash cam can rival pro-grade security setups costing way more? That's the hidden magic of the F17 Elite. It's not just a dash cam. It's your digital witness, guardian, and peace of mind, rolled into one stealthy black box. But here's the catch. Gear this advanced doesn't sit in stock for long. Travelers, rideshare drivers, and everyday commuters are snapping it up fast. Don't wait until the next accident leaves you with nothing but excuses. Secure your REDTIGER F17 Elite today. Limited supply, huge demand, zero regrets. Join thousands who've already upgraded to full-color 24/7 protection. Act now, claim your peace of mind, and drive knowing every angle is covered. The window's closing, don't miss your chance.